God damn. That fucking shit good, shot.
That shit good, huh?
God damn, cuzzo.
I feel
Damn,
you.
you
I
want
feel
some?
you. I would appreciate some. Feel me?
Oh my god.
What kind? You know what I mean? Can I get some? A
Shit, man.
fry or two?
Woo. Oh man. Go ahead and get some, man. Damn. You moving all slow and shit. God damn, dog. Man, hurry up. You here staring. What the hell you staring at it so damn long for? It ain't gonna bite you, nigga. What you staring at it so damn long for, man? The fuck?
Where exactly did you sneeze, though?
Man, hey, dog, I gotta go to work. Oh, man. I asked your ass if you needed something, man. Whew. I ain't gonna hold you, man. My fucking chest hurt, too. God damn.
Is there a way we could like flip it so whatever's under, I can get that? Cause
Flip what? Dog, we ain't doing that, man. Get some off the top, man. Don't be flipping my food and shit. The hell?
Say something, I'm giving up on you.